Lazarus comes over to say, what's going on? What's wrong? Talk to me. Uzolega is like, you know what? I can't do this anymore. I see threat in the relationship. Lazarus is like, we're not doing that. Why are you breaking up with me? Ngiyakuthanda athi uzolega, but it was not in a relationship anyway. We didn't give it labels. Athi, tell me what's going on. Talk to me. Agcina mtshela uzolega ukuthi yazini, I'm pregnant. Lazarus ngikhulelwe. Ngimeet uLazarus athi, how pregnant? He was shocked. Vele ubone nje ukuthi ushaqekile. And then he says, but who's the father of this baby? Uzolega was like, how, what do you mean? Because you and I have been intimate. Ati, I know that the baby is not mine. So who is the father? So it means and then Lazarus said, let me take you somewhere, then you'll know why I'm saying the baby is not mine. Lazarus takes Uzolega to an orphanage with 2 little saints and says, how Uzolega la. They get over there, there's the lady that works there. I'm introduced Lazarus Uzolega, this is my partner. And the kids see Lazarus and they come running. They seem to have a good relationship with him. As I to see also that appear, they when they see him, it's like Babonu Father Christmas. They really like him. And then Uzolega is busy bonding with the kids as well, with the babies. Lazarus, we can just see that he feels at home with the babies. And then he tells Uzolega, you see this place? It's like personal to me because it's not just about giving back. I cannot have kids. Zolega, I'm infertile. Uzolega is shocked with how, please don't tell me this is the reason why your marriage is ended. At Lazarus, partly, and some of them, yeah, because I wanted kids. The other ones didn't, and the other times we couldn't have them, both of us, and all that. And then Zola like, I'm so sorry, and decides, you're a good man, Lazarus. We're doing this for the kids and all that. And then Zola tells him, I'm 4 months pregnant. So this is clear, the baby is actually Hlati's baby. And Uzolega says that she's not ready to have another drama. No, Hlati. Lazarus like, as a movie, you are carrying a baby. Your ex-wako is married to your cousin. What a mess. Uzolega was like, you know what? I'm not ready to deal with the Hlati. I think you could be the father of the baby, because Lazarus did mention that it has always been his dream to be a father, because he believes that he could make a great father. Uzolega was like, I think you should be the father of this baby. I think this is a chance for both of us to heal. I wonder if Lazarus uzovuma to jazz this baby, so that Forrest does not get to have a say on this baby. Abhiza ingane kamabandla le, umntwana mi igazi lami. And then uThumeka noHlathi, they're back from honeymoon. They look so happy. uHlathi nje uForrest ubhizi uyadansa. Umnandi nje. Uthumeka is even saying that, yes, if you carry on like this, you're going to end up making another baby. She says this jokingly, not knowing that there's already a baby that is already there, Uzolega. And then Uthumeka is also worried with how Uzolega didn't come to my wedding and hasn't said anything since. So she's wondering what's going on. As the only weird thing is that you are married to her ex-husband. So but she did say she does not have a problem. Yeah, she might say something but feel something else. So maybe she just needs time. Ngapha Hlengiwe no Sydney. Hlengiwe has been trying to make some calls to try and get another job, but no one wants to hire her because they know she's involved in this fraud case. That's why she was fired. And then Sydney is chilling, relaxed, because he believes that, or he's confident that reinstate eKhusela Tech bazombuyisa, because they've not done a press conference to announce that he has been fired. Uzolega asked Lazarus to be the father of the baby. I'm pregnant with a man that I want nothing to do with, and I'm never going back to Hlati. Ngapha when I want a baby that you cannot have. So I feel like, Laz, this is an opportunity for us to raise this baby in our own terms. And Lazarus just stands there, speechless. As Uzolega, I know this is a lot to take in, and I want to have this child, and I think you'd make a great father. You'd make an amazing father. So I know this is a lot. It's overwhelming, but please think about it. Lazarus just stood there speechless and decided, you know what, just go to the car. Let me go say bye to the kids. I think he probably dropped her off and left. Uzoleka is feeling somehow, thinking maybe he scared her off, he scared him off, or she crossed the line and phones him to say, I hope I didn't scare you off. Please don't disappear on me. Just tell me what you think, whatever it is. And then Lazarus gets a call from his dad. His dad is in town in Joburg and comes over to see him. Tatake is not impressed with Lazarus is still a bachelor. Ati you guys were nosis wako. So apparently Lazarus has a sister, Unonqeba. It's funny because I think this Nonqeba is the same person that helps Zolega with her divorce. They probably have different surnames because she's married, but they haven't said anything yet. But what are the odds that the name is the same? So what Tatak is going on about, he thought by this time he would have grandkids running around Lana, but Lazarus is not giving him any grandkids. So it means isenemi yakhe legacy yakhe igcina ngaye Lazarus. So, and he's not happy about that, which is like putting pressure on Lazarus. Because obviously the dad probably doesn't know that Lazarus is infertile. And then Utumega meets up with Zolega Epalat. And Utumega decides, let's have champagne to celebrate the wedding yami. Uzolega insists, no, now I'll have juice. Atutumega, Sinjan, say right, why didn't you come to my wedding? Atutumega, no, we're okay, don't worry. I was just caught up with work, I'm sorry. Tumega then says, okay, let's have champagne to celebrate. Zolega, no, I cannot have champagne, I have to go to work. I'll just have juice. Tumega was like, how? Just one glass for toast. Zolega insists that I have meetings, I'm just going to have juice. And then Jiggy Zolega sees food on the other people's table and starts feeling nauseous. She has to run to the bathroom to throw up. Tumega looks at her, wondering what's going on here. And then Tumega is home busy ironing. Busy realize Tumega time man, something is off la. She's starting to add 2 and 2 together. First she refuses champagne, the next thing she's throwing up. I decides drops everything and goes to Zolega. Uhlathi is even shocked. Nathanda ukuthi awuyaphi. Goes to see Zolega in the office and says, Zolega is surprised with how is everything okay to me? Yeah, now it all makes sense. First the champagne, and then the nausea, and then you didn't even come to my wedding. You disappeared for days. Now I get what's going on. So how far along are you? Zingak inyanga. Asking her, how far along are you? Like implying that she already knows Zolega is pregnant. Zolega, she even put her hand on Zolega's tummy. Zolega's like, how? Why Tum? What's going on? At Zingak inyanga. Obviously, Tum wants to sort of calculate to see if umntana forest yin, is this forest baby or not? So then Zolega says decides to like ignore the whole thing. Goes at least she was saved by a phone call. Lazarus calling her. She answers the phone. Lazarus is apparently calling her to come to his place and leaves it to Tumega saying that this is an emergency. I have to go. I'm sorry. Tumega standing there is thinking, Kanene, it's true. She's pregnant. I don't know what the ratas do this. Tumega is very happy now. They had to come and like, Zolega pregnant. They're just fighting Jen happiness ka Tum because honeymoon face is just gonna vanish now, that because obviously Uhlathi is gonna want to be involved kumntana my loving. And then Zolega goes to Lazarus's place. Finally we get to see Lazarus' house and she meets Tata Lazarus. So Lazarus' dad is there. She says she's honored to meet him. Tata Lazarus like, I heard a lot about you. I heard you are the future of Khusela. Lazarus again, you know what? She's not just the future of Khusela Tech. She is also my future. Zolega Pikicha is my partner and the woman that I love. Tata was like, okay. So she's not just the CEO and she's my partner and the woman that I love. And that's a big word, hey? And that's not all. Zolega is also pregnant. She's carrying a grandchild. Uzonega froze because it's like they haven't even discussed this. Lazarus or not, and then he just brings it up in front of his dad, and now he's involving other people also. Now there's a grandchild coming, one Mogana. knowing exactly this baby is a Mabandla. I don't think Uzoleka is happy about this whole thing. They're probably going to fight about it tomorrow. Anyway, Lazarus is now claimed the baby, so he's now the baby daddy. And then at least some good news for the Zondos. Uzinhle got a scholarship to go to a culinary school in Switzerland, and they're all happy for her. She says she's leaving tomorrow. Umawake is a bit emotional, but she's gonna get over it, obviously. They're all happy for her, saying they're proud of her. And then Sydney is going on bothering Olwandle about good, have they had a CIO yet? I know they're gonna beg me to come back to work. But unkosikazi wakhe uHlengi was like, you know what, Baba, you need to let this go. These people are not gonna call you back. I don't like seeing you doing this to yourself. And they've made a decision, let it go. I'd say I will not let it go because I was there when they started Kusela. I deserve to be there namanje. Uzoleka had joined abantu bakwaNgqungana for a family dinner, and she met uSister Lazarus, who happens to be uNonceba, the divorce lawyer that helped her with i-divorce yakhe noHlathi. Uzoleka is shocked ukuthi hawu Nonceba unguSister Lazarus ngempela. Athi yes I am, but you guys, why didn't you tell me? She's shocked because how did this whole thing happen? Athi uNonceba Lazarus actually wanted to tell you, but I asked him to keep things professional so that you can look at my work professionally and not associated with me being related to Lazarus. And then Utata Lazarus is happy that Zoleka is going to give him a grandchild. As you've brought joy to my brother and my father. Utata Lazarus, now you are part of the family. And then uZoleka in a conversation lets out ukuthi there's uQhawekazi. Abuza ke utata ukuthi who is this Qhawekazi? Asho ke ukuthi indodakazi yami. uQhawekazi is my daughter. And then utata uyabuza ukuthi how have you been married before? Athi yes I have and I've just been divorced now. Athi Nonceba, yes I was the one that was helping with the divorce. And utata ke feels some type of way saying ukuthi how kulo nyaka this year and already I've jumped onto my son, he's sort of trying to add things two and two together. And then he seems a bit disappointed. Uzoleka as a divorcee. Our Lazarus came to the rescue and jumped in to save Zoleka, saying that, you know what, Dad, please understand that I've also been married before. So Pastor Zoleka shouldn't matter. Let's just enjoy the dinner. And then Zoleka no Lazarus stay together. Lazarus says he never thought that he'd be given a chance to be a father, and he's got so much love to give. Uzoleka, can you please go with me to the gynae for my ultrasound scan? Lazarus was so happy, saying that I'd love to do that. And then they go there together go ultrasound scan. Uthumeka busy hanging pictures, portraits of the wedding on the wall. They're so happy noHlathi, they look so good, hey. My pictures, this is the family. I love this family. It's the family I've always wanted. Uthumeka is down, man. And Lazarus is Hlathi is asking how. So did you find Uzoleka when you went looking for her? Yes, I did. That's my routine. What did she say? She's just dealing with new beginnings and some changes in her life. Uhlathi new beginnings. Uthumeka is holding back tears. Can't even say ukuthi new beginnings are one. And then Uzoleka talks to Kawe, saying to her just something that she wants to tell her. She's proud of the way she is around her siblings, uYanga no Likamva, and she would be happy if she would extend the same love to her unborn baby, because also big sister to her baby who's on the way. Uqhawe is like, how are you pregnant? Who is the father? Ati Lazarus. So Uqhawe didn't miss the opportunity to ask who the father of the baby is, because Kaloko there's Umawethu too, which could have been a disaster, and there's also Hlathi that's gonna take happiness to make. And then when she hears the father is Lazarus, she's like, okay, congratulations. She even gives her a hug because I think she's happy for her. She's genuinely happy for her. Also because the father of the baby does not bring in any complications to the family. And then, Lazarus talks to his dad over the phone saying, please, Dad, please don't, I'm happy with Zoleka. I love her. don't please leave this thing over judgmental over her, because she's not going anywhere. She's here to stay. Tata Katai, she's amazing. I'm not gonna be trouble anymore. And then they go get ultrasound scan nozoleka. They get to the doctor, and as the doctor checks her and shows them the ultrasound of the baby. Uzoleka is delighted. She's all smiles. It just feels so Ulazaro's shame. You should have seen his face. The way he was so happy, like he gets to experience something that is wanted so bad in his whole life, and now he gets to experience it firsthand. So like I think this is a huge opportunity for him to be able to experience this blessing. We can just see that he's in awe. And then the doctor tells them, so the baby is healthy, the heartbeat is fine. And then they get home, looking at the pictures, at the ultrasound scan. They're so happy. They just even like planning the future. Olazaro Sati, what do you think it's gonna be? Do you think it's gonna be a boy or a girl? Ati Uzolega, obviously, definitely a girl. Pela Emami always knows. Atulazaros, what would you prefer? Atulazaros, you know what? I want it to be a surprise. I think we shouldn't find out until like the day you give birth. And then Uzolega asks him, Guti, so are you sure about this decision that you've made? Atulazarosi, yes, you've given me an opportunity to be a father, something I never thought I'd ever have. So, and having my father look at me the way he did, with so much pride, like I'll never forget that. Like it meant a lot to me, because obviously his father has been waiting for Lazarus to give him grandkids, and then he says that he's looking forward to the late nights, the sleepless nights, and nappy changes. Ati and your cravings also. Also, like that's how you've been doing. Someone has been doing his research, hey? I just someone has been waiting to be a dad his whole life. I told wait until the baby starts crying at 2 a.m. Says Obana out you still have this kind of excitement. At Yazin, you can even put me on night shift duty every night and I'll still be excited. And then Zolega tells him, I spoke to Kawegas about the pregnancy and told her to keep it between us at yeah, for now, because after that I'm gonna be shouting it over the rooftop. And then Kawegas calls me with the whole family, Utandeha Notulanda also there. Oh, Tanda is asking Kawegas because she seems distracted. Because how are you okay? Yeah, I'm okay. Okay, right, man. It's like everyone is keeping secrets from me because Utumega was also looking off during the day and couldn't say what was wrong. And then Utkawe says, Utkawe then spills the beans. I'm going to be big sister again because Umam Zolega is pregnant. Drops a bombshell on the table. Before that, Utlati, when she said, I'm going to be a big sister again, Utlati assumes that Utumega is pregnant and says, how? Is that what you've been hiding? Tumega, you're pregnant. Utumega just opens her eyes and couldn't say anything. When Ukawe dropped the bombshell, Uzolega is the one that is pregnant, the room went quiet. Everyone was just quiet. No one said a word. They just looked at each other, shocked, because I think now everyone in their minds, it's going around, would say, is this Lati's baby? You can already see Lati's face, which is already thinking of going to bother Uzolega. And then Uzolega and Lazarus, they set up a virtual meeting with the staff and tells them about just to address them about the Ukamba Kasikni, and just reassuring them good nothing is going on, like the Kusela is fine, he's not in trouble. And then Uzinhle goes to Palette to say goodbye to her boyfriend, Loase Palette, telling him she's gonna miss him. He played a huge role in her life. And then says bye to her family. Umawake isn't accepted ukuthi uyahamba umntwana eSwitzerland kude kangaka. He dad, they have such a good relationship, Uzinhle no Sydney. Hey, Babake even got her a gift to say goodbye, something that will like she can take with to remember them with. After Kawe told them that Zolega is pregnant, Utandega was like, so, but Zolega just got divorced from Hlat. Does that mean Hlat is the father? Auntie, no, Ulazaros, my boss, is the father of the baby. So I was like, Ulazaros, but yes, yeah, and again, my boss. Uhlathi can just see ukuthi uyagowisha uyafokofa. He says how? So Zoleka could not even wait. We just got divorced. She just couldn't wait to move on with her life. Athi uchumeka how? Must we also got married just after you signed the divorce papers? So kahle kahle, what do you mean? And then Uhlathi is not happy at all. He even goes further goes to say ukuthi why didn't you tell me that Zoleka is pregnant? How can you hide something so big to me? Is that what you meant when you said Zoleka is having a new beginning and all that? How? It wasn't my place to tell you. Also, why does it bother you that she moved on too quickly after the divorce? Or are you just worried that you are not the father of the baby? No, I'm happy with you. I made a commitment to you and our marriage, and that's not going to change. And then Utumega goes to see Zoleka and learns that Zoleka is 4 months pregnant. Zoleka says the father of the baby is Lazarus, because Utumega was now worried with how 4 months. Muswiko was still married to Uhlathi at the time. Yes, I was still married to Uhlathi, but we were not even sleeping together. So Lazarus came at a time when I was vulnerable, and that's when it happened. And then hey, ungangijudge sis, please, ungangijudge, mtasekhaya. And then they laugh about it. Utumega asks how. So manje umshado unini, when do I get to meet Usbali omusha, and when is the wedding? There won't be a wedding, sisi. Like Zoleka doesn't want to get married anymore. Okay, I'm so happy for you. I'm going to buy an aunt again. I'm so happy for you. She's happy because now Zoleka is going to have a person. Now she won't be competing no Zoleka for Uhlathi. Kanti Zoleka is not aware ukuthi Lazarus Utatakhe is already planning future yabo, going on about they need to go pay damages for Zoleka, do things the right way, and ask Lazarus, so what are your intentions with it? Are you going to marry Zoleka? This Utatakhe is giving him ideas. Later on, means Lazarus went and bought a ring. Later on, Lazarus goes down on one knee, proposes to Zoleka, saying, this is not about the baby. It's just that you're the woman that I want. You're the only woman that I want in my life. And after meeting you, I realized I've met my spirit person. Like, shows they connect like in so many levels, business-wise, and also the chemistry of work. And then he says, this has nothing to do with the baby. It's just because that he wants to spend his life, the rest of his life with Zoleka. Goes down on one knee and asks Zoleka to marry him. Zoleka just froze. She just stood there, could not say anything. And then they have their podcast. So Uboniswa comes over to prepare them for the podcast. You guys need to slow down on the PDA because media or public is going to roast you. So you need to slow down on that and just focus on doing the podcast. And also at the office, everyone is already talking, on my way to no. They're already talking good how. Have you guys noticed how Lazarus and Zoleka, they're so close these days? They're all touchy. It seems like they're in a relationship. It's like they're together. They asked Uqhawe to confirm for them they're indeed together. Uqhawe is like, nope, I'm not confirming anything. Akangeni nje Uqhawe, let's gossip yasemsebenzini slide. Ulinda's like, yazini, they make a perfect match, but this just gets me worried with Shorty. This means for Lazarus amponi, right? How you think we are in Lazarus league? And then Qhawe steps out. Mawethu follows her, saying that Qhawe, I feel like we deserve a fighting chance. We need to fight for this Thando lwethu. Athi Qhawe, all we are as colleagues, and if you keep on doing this, I am going to report you to HR for harassment. And then Zoleka no Lazarus, they prep for their meeting or for their podcast, and then they go for the podcast. And then the interviewer asks them, so what happened no Sydney? We hear rumors that there was a corruption going on. And they deny the allegations, saying that there was no corruption. We just decided to see out with the old, in with the new, just want to bring in new talent and all that. And then they say that they just want to bring in a new vision and all that. Lazarus is watching this with his wife at home. And she's like, this is like the audacity of these people, because he feels that they embarrassed him by saying that. But what's worse than saying he was corrupted? They just like, I feel like they sort of like did him a favor to say that they just want fresh blood and not saying that he did something wrong. And then they also question their relationship, saying that they've been spotted in fancy restaurants. What's happening? Are they dating? But as Uzolega, we're here to talk about Kusela, not our personal lives. And then Sydney is all worked up, saying they humiliated me. They're gonna get what's coming to them. What are you planning, Sid Wazondo? So after Lazarus proposed, Uzolega rejected the proposal, saying, I'm so sorry, Laz. Lazarus felt so embarrassed, saying, he was just feeling embarrassed. I said, no, don't look at it like that. The thing is, after that, I never thought that I would find love again. But you happened. You came, and you came with more than love. You came with safety that I never thought that I could find in a man. But umchado, I don't want to get married, especially after my messy divorce with Hlati. And umchado, like marriage never treated me well. And then Laz feels offended, saying, but I didn't go Hlati, I'm not Hlati. Yeah, I know. But it's just that I don't see marriage. Marriage is not on the cards for me. I just want us to be parents and on our own terms, without the titles of a husband and wife. And then, Lazarus says that's fine, I can accept that. And then, Utumeka says she wants to go to Uzoleka. Ask how does Zoleka want you there? It feels like you're forcing yourself on her. I say yes, she does want me there. And then Tumeka lets on Uzoleka is 4 months pregnant. Uhlati is worried, 4 months pregnant. Then he starts thinking, Kuti, does this mean this is my baby? And then Tumeka goes to Zolega, says to Zolega she's got a surprise. I think she wants to go to college. Remember, she wanted to study nursing, but it ended up not happening. So now she wants to study caregiving. And then because she's not willing to go to school for 3 years to get the nursing diploma, so she's just going to settle for 6 months and get the caregiving thing. She's going to work with nurses or in an orphanage or OH home. And then Umagaba arrives with Ulimechen, Lucanyo. They're there for damages kaZoleka, so the Nguganas are coming to pay damages for Uzoleka. And then Ulikanyo is happy for Uzoleka, saying Guti, so Usbalwami Ulaz. Ulikanyo is actually happy about Laz because she always felt Guti Uhlat was beneath Uzoleka. So now she feels Guti, you and Laz are on the same league, are on the same level. You're like Bonnie and Clyde. Ambuza, do you love him? Are you happy? At yes, ngiyamthanda with my whole heart. At okay, like and then they're busy preparing for the Nguganas because they're coming. They're busy peeling and whatnot and cooking. Atumagaba yazi abantu in the villages should have brought someone to help, but they're busy gossiping about you, saying that you moved on too quickly after your divorce yakho. Hey, aloku Tumeka Tauchini bangenapi because she knows she's part of the moving on naye noHlati. And then the Nguganas arrive, bazokhipha inhlawulo. They're so respectful, saying that they apologize for what their son did, and also that they have to do the whole ritual or the whole ceremony kwaZoleka and not kwaBhikicha back at home. And then Ulimechen is just acting so weird. Ngathi is a clown. Lucky enough, Lucanyo is there. He got to call in order, saying Guti bazoba fina that bangene isibani sabo and all that. But it's fine. Sizokhokha inkomo eyi-4 bavume ke bathi that's fine. And then abuze ke Ulimechen ukuthi do you want the child to carry your surnames, considering that they're not going to get married? And to ka Lazarus, yes we do, but okay, fine. Inhlawulo then is going to go up. The damages are going to go up, they're going to increase. And then they finish. Now they're sitting in the house, celebrating, giving speeches. They're so happy, ululating and all that. And then, Lazarus is given a chance to speak. He apologized to Zolega, saying that he's sorry that he judged her. The conversation they had when they had dinner, saying, she's been married before, and all that at Olisa, and that was sweet of him to actually honor, to actually like account and apologize in front of everyone. And then Unimagen also gives uLazarus a chance to speak. Athi okay nyana ithuba lakho asho ke uLazarus uthi yazini ngizomthanda ngentempisa ngizomthanda uZoleka ngim-honorishe and all that. It was so cute. It felt like they're giving it out their vows, like they're getting married even though they said they're not getting married. It was such a cute moment because both Lazarus and Tatake, they said ukuthi they're happy now that the two families of Bikishas Nabangugana are united. And then Uhlati is going on about if umntana kaZoleka wakhe, because now he's learned that uZoleka is 4 months pregnant, and 5 months ago he was still married to uZoleka, so it means Zoleka cheated on her, or the child is his. So he says that if the child is his, Yena is not going to turn his back on his seat. And then Tholani is like, how Fondini, but you have moved on. Just let Zoleka be. Zoleka will never lie, say mntana kaLazarus while it's not. Oh, is it that you wish that you were the father of the baby? So actually, that is what Hlati is wishing. And then ngapha Sydney, like, he's losing his mind. Uhleng is even worried, saying, I'm actually worried because now this obsession on I is going to drive into depression. As how I'm depressed, Mina. Just that these people betrayed me. Abantu baseKhusela uZoleka no Lazarus, they betrayed me, and they're going to get what's coming to them. I wonder what Sydney is planning. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.